Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be talking about CETAPHIL Gentle Skin Cleanser. What are the different ingredients present in it? What does it do? And what type of skin type can use it on their skin? For those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. If you like skincare related videos, make sure that you click on that like button. Also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. I would also request you all to follow me on Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. Please do support and also follow me, and that will help me to grow as an influencer to teach millions of the people how does the skincare formulation also work. When I was going through the ingredient list of the CETAPHIL Gentle Cleanser, I did see that it is like 10 ingredients in it. That is it. It's so short, it's so crisp, no bullshit ingredient present that can lead to having an allergic reaction on the skin. It is excellent for normal to dry skin type. So let's go through the ingredients and see is it well formulated. The first ingredient is water. The second one is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, helps with the moisturizing properties of the skin and helps to take the water molecule from the surrounding and help it to penetrate into the skin. So it does a good job, and here the most abundant ingredient is water. Following to that is glycerin. So glycerin might be around 10 to 5% depending on how the formulation was made. The third ingredient here is citral alcohol, which is acting as an emollient to retain that moisture into the skin. Usually citral alcohol is used less than 5% concentration for any skin type, and more than 5% is not well tolerated by the skin, and it can lead to clogging of the pores because it's an emollient, it's an oil-based ingredient. When you see citral alcohol or cetyl alcohol or citral alcohol, so these all are fatty alcohols. They help to have the emollient properties, and they help to retain that moisture into the skin, and the skin is moisturized after applying this alcohol. So here it is less than 5% definitely, and the formulation till now is perfect. Then there's Pentanol, and following to that is niacinamide. Niacinamide as an ingredient is a very popular ingredient, and it helps with numerous properties. It helps with shrinking the large pores, it helps with the fine lines, it helps with the production of collagen, it helps with the reduction of uneven skin tone. And with that is Pentanol. Pentanol here is a texture enhancer. It acts as a humectant, and it acts as the delivery of the other active ingredient. When pentanol is added, it is balanced out with niacinamide, because niacinamide is the active ingredient and pentanol is taking that as a vehicle and reaching it to the different layers of the skin so that it can do its job. So this formulation, I am going crazy about it, all right. I'm loving it. And then there is xanthan gum. Now, xanthan gum is usually added in the skincare formulation because it acts as a gum. It is a naturally derived gum that helps to hold the other ingredients together and then sit on the skin. The ingredients are well blended because sometimes some ingredients don't go hand in hand. They make different layers in the formulation. So xanthan gum kind of, brings all that ingredient together and stick it all together so that it can evenly spread on the skin. Then there is sodium cocoyl isethionate. This is a coconut derived cleansing agent. It is a micelle which helps to remove the dirt and debris from the skin. Excellent formulation. It is in a very lesser percentage, so it can be used for dry to very dry skin type, but you cannot use it if you have eczema. And this ingredient, the sodium cocoyl isethionate, is excellent as it is a mild surfactant. It is good for the sensitive skin type as well. Usually in the skincare formulation, this ingredient can be used up to 49%, and it doesn't cause any allergic reaction. So it is known as the safest ingredient, as a cleansing ingredient for the removal of the dirt and oil. But it is a very mild surfactant. It won't work well for the oily skin type. For the dry skin type, yes, it does a very good job. Then there is sodium benzoate and citric acid. They are acting as a preservative, so it is helping to improve the shelf life of the product. Well, together, looking at the ingredients, I am quite impressed. I love the ingredients. I love that it is so short and crisp. No bullshit ingredient here. So for the dry to very dry skin type, yes, this is an excellent cleanser. You can try it out on your skin. You can do a patch test just before, like 24 hours or 48 hours before, just to see if it does cause any sort of allergic reaction, because sometimes people are very allergic to some particular ingredient. So patch test is a must. In general, this product is a thumbs up. Actually, I think you can also use it on the kids above 5 years old, and this is perfectly fine. You can use it on the face, on the body. If you have very dry skin and you are kind of itching your skin all the time, then you can use this gentle cleanser. It will do a very good job at removing all the dirt and that redness that has been caused due to the inflammation. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to me, and also follow me on my Instagram handle. I will see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.